Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about pointers and strings, part of programming in C course. In C, strings are represented as arrays of characters, and pointers can be used to manipulate strings in various ways. In this example, str is a character array containing the string hello world. The character pointer ptr is assigned the starting address of the str. In the first printf statement, we simply print the string using the pointer. In the second printf statement, the pointer is incremented by 6 using ptr plus equals 6, allowing us to print the string starting from the seventh character, that is world. This demonstrates the usefulness of pointers in manipulating strings in C. Pointers can be used to traverse strings, extract substrings, and perform various other operations on strings. It is important to note that when a string is declared as a character array, it is stored in the memory as a sequence of characters, followed by a null character, that is /0, to indicate the end of the string. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.